Hello guys, welcome to Just Top 10. Luc Montagnier is a French virologist and joint recipient, with Françoise Barré-Sinoussi and Harald Zur-Hausen, of the 2008 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine for his discovery of the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. He has worked as a researcher at the Pasteur Institute in Paris and as a full-time professor at Shanghai Jiao Tong University in China. 7 facts about Luc Montagnier. Fact number 1. Early life and education. Montagnier was educated at the universities of Poitiers and Paris, earning degrees in science, 1953, and medicine, 1960. He began his career as a research scientist in 1955 and joined the Pasteur Institute in Paris in 1972. In 1993 he established the World Foundation for AIDS Research and Prevention, and he later accepted an endowed chair at Queens College, New York City, where he headed, 1998 to 2001, the Center for Molecular and Cellular Biology. He returned to the Pasteur Institute in 2001 as Professor Emeritus. Montagnier also served as President of the Administrative Council of the European Federation for AIDS Research. Fact number 2. History of the discovery of HIV. In 1982, Willy Rosenbaum, a clinician at the Hôpital Bichat Hospital in Paris, asked Montagnier for assistance in establishing the cause of a mysterious new syndrome, AIDS, known at the time as gay-related immune deficiency. Rosenbaum had suggested at scientific meetings that the cause of the disease might be a retrovirus. Montagnier and members of his group at the Pasteur Institute, notably including Françoise Barré-Sinoussi and Jean-Claude Sherman, had extensive experience with retroviruses. Montagnier and his team examined samples taken from Rosenbaum's AIDS patients and found the virus that would later become known as HIV in a lymph node biopsy. They named it lymphadenopathy-associated virus, or LAV, since it was not then clear that it was the cause of AIDS, and published their findings in the journal Science on May 20, 1983. Fact number 3. Awards and honors. The 2008 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Montagnier and Françoise Barré-Sinoussi for the discovery of HIV. They shared the prize with Harald Zur-Hausen, who discovered that human papillomaviruses can cause cervical cancer. Montagnier said he was surprised that Robert Gallo was not also recognized by the Nobel Committee. It was important to prove that HIV was the cause of AIDS, and Gallo had a very important role in that. I'm very sorry for Robert Gallo. According to Maria Masucci, a member of the Nobel Assembly, there was no doubt as to who made the fundamental discoveries. Robert Gallo. According to Maria Masucci, a member of the Nobel Assembly, there was no doubt as to who made the fundamental discoveries. Montagnier is the co-founder of the World Foundation for AIDS Research and Prevention and co-directs the Program for International Viral Collaboration. Fact number 4. Research on electromagnetic signals from DNA. In 2009, Montagnier published 2 independently made, controversial research studies, one of which was entitled Electromagnetic Signals Are Produced by Aqueous Nanostructures Derived from Bacterial DNA Sequences. Jeff Reimers of the University of Sydney said that, if its conclusions are true, these would be the most significant experiments performed in the past 90 years, demanding re-evaluation of the whole conceptual framework of modern chemistry. The paper concludes that diluted DNA from pathogenic bacterial and viral species is able to emit specific radio waves and that these radio waves are associated with nanostructures in the solution that might be able to recreate the pathogen. Fact number 5. Responses, criticisms and interview. The paper has met with harsh criticism for not being peer-reviewed, and its claims unsubstantiated by modern mainstream conventions of physics and chemistry. No third party has replicated the findings as of March 2015. In response to Montagnier's statement that the generally unfavorable response is due to the non-understanding or misunderstanding of the breakthrough findings, blogger Andy Lewis has written that he has found it difficult to assert what the paper actually claims and that the paper lacks any rigor, as important experimental steps are described dismissively in a sentence and little attempt is made to describe the detail of the work. While homeopaths claim his research as support for homeopathy, many scientists have greeted it with scorn and harsh criticism. Fact number 6. Legal battle over patent. In 2009, Montagnier became involved in a legal battle with inventor Bruno Robert over the intellectual property rights to the techniques used in the aforementioned research. Robert, who had tried to succeed the company Digibio created by Jacques Benveniste, approached Montagnier in May 2005 regarding his work on electromagnetic signals. In November 2005, Robert registered a patent for the process of homing in on a biochemical element presenting a biological activity through the analysis of low-frequency electromagnetic signals. This patent was in fact written by Montagnier from results obtained between July and November 2005. A month later, France's patent body received a request for the same patent from Montagnier, which was criticized by the patent examiner on multiple points. Fact number 7. Views about coronavirus pandemic. Montagnier argued that the coronavirus disease 2019 was man-made in a laboratory and that it might have been the result of an attempt to create a vaccine for HIV/AIDS. His allegation came after the United States had launched a probe into whether the virus came from a laboratory. According to Montagnier, the presence of elements of HIV and germ of malaria in the genome of coronavirus is highly suspect, and the characteristics of the virus could not have arisen naturally. Initially, this was described as a conspiracy vision that does not relate to the real science by Jean-François Delfraissy, an immunologist and head of the scientific council that advises the French government on the COVID-19 pandemic.
Thank you guys for watching this video.
We hope you liked this video. If you want to suggest us any topic, please comment below in comment box.
Don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.
Take care of yourselves, friends and family members. Bye for now.
Adios amigos.